Hello, ladies and gentlemen. This is Benham Jandel as an English teacher. Today, actually, I'm gonna start with some basic sentences for some beginners and elementary levels. Actually, for beginner levels, we must start with some, let's say, simple sentences in order to make them understand actually what English is. So, if you are ready, I'm gonna talk about skills and talents and what you can do, what are you good at. For example, are you good at English or not? So, let's start by some phrases. I'm gonna read aloud the phrases, the sentences, twice, and you're gonna just listen and repeat. Okay? By repeating and practicing more, actually, you can remember all the words, all the phrases, and you can use them in your daily speaking, conversation. If you are ready, we can start. Okay? Let's go. Okay. The first the first sentence is I'm good at drawing. I'm good at drawing. It means that I can draw well. I can draw well. I'm good at video games. I'm good at video games. It means that I can play video games well. I'm good at swimming. I'm good at swimming. It means that you can swim well. You are skilled in swimming. I'm good at driving. I'm good at driving. It means that you can drive well. I'm good at reading. I'm good at reading. It means that you can read books or novels very well and you can understand. I'm good at sports. I'm good at sports. It means that you can do a lot of sports. Next is I'm good at writing. I'm good at writing. It means that you can write well. You can write something. For example, you can write a letter. I'm good at math. I'm good at math. It means that you can solve math problems easily. I'm good at chess. I'm good at chess. It means that you can play chess well. I'm good at computer. I'm good at computer. It means that you can use a computer very well. I'm good at dancing. I'm good at dancing. It means that you can dance well. You can dance different types of styles. I'm good at hunting. I'm good at hunting. It means that you can hunt animals. And you are a good hunter. I'm good at fishing. I'm good at fishing. It means that you can catch fish. You can catch fish. And you are a good fisherman. Fisherman. I'm good at painting. I'm good at painting. It means that you can use the colors well. You can paint the wall or paint everywhere. I'm good at soccer. I'm good at soccer. It means that you can play football or soccer very well and you are a perfect footballist. A perfect footballist. I'm good at English or other languages. If you are good at English, it means that you can speak, understand, write, read, and listen to English well. So, these are some, let's say, basic sentences, and they are really useful and key for your speaking. If you want to speak well, actually, you must repeat all these sentences every day and try to make new sentences. For example, what are you good at? What can you do? Actually, these are some examples, and you can add more examples. And by this way, actually, you can talk about your interests, talk about your tastes. And if you need any help, and if you want to make more sentences, you can actually leave a comment and I'll answer your comments. And remember to follow our channel, YouTube channel, for further videos. Next time we're gonna discuss in more details and provide you with some other examples. By the way, this is Behnam Jandal, your English teacher, and I try hard and I do my best to help you learn English fluently and effortlessly. Thank you for sharing your precious time with us. Hoping to see you again. And if you have any questions, any comments, remember and don't hesitate to leave a comment. Thank you for watching our videos. See you around. Bye bye and take care.